gonna expand our options by one. See if you like something. Come here, bear. Alright, listen. Try this one. Yeah, let's go for this one. Try it. Steel mouth? Come here, bear. Try this one. Here. You like it? Try it. Okay, try this one. Oh, we got a favorite? Here. Bear. Thank you. Now, here's the new one. You want to try it? Wow. How about some more now? This is what. Bear. I think he has a favorite. Come on. Try that? No? No, why not? Come on, man. This one? I know, okay. So, we have our favorite. The really dog. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video.